Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I am really hyper by today's haul, and I can only penny shop like this at the Dollar General where I'm like, I'm getting 200 items. Big special thank you to Christie's Connections and her team and the Geeky Banana Saves, both YouTube channels, who are awesome and keep us right on top of all these penny items. And I certainly wouldn't be this organized if it wasn't for them. So thank you, ladies, for everything. And I'm going to talk about my penny haul today. Lots of these items with this purple square pennied out, and that was kind of a surprise, including a lot of really nice gift sets, kids' bubble baths, lip oils. I mean, I can bingo call this for hours. This is probably my favorite find of the day, but lots of stuff, for Christmas next year. Nice little items. So it's really an exciting haul, especially if you love girly stuff. If you have a Dollar General near you, probably worth going to the store and looking for some of these items. It might be in the Easter section, it might be on an end cap, or just in the regular aisles. And I was finding this stuff throughout the stores. I went to 5 different stores today and found roughly 200 items, including these chocolates and a couple Valentine's Day items. Not everything, but some of the stuff. So I'm pretty excited by that. And even some pencils. So we're going to look at the UPCs, and I'm just going to talk how I found some of this stuff. And I also have some ice cream too that I'm going to show you some of the UPCs because that is really exciting. So for this ice cream penny list, it's part of a reset in the freezer section, and it's been different stages. Definitely go to Christie's Connection. She explains it a lot better than I could, but there are very specific items. She has them on her website, and I knew this one store had pennied out, and I thought, I'm going to check, and there were 4 items that I found. Another penny shopper went there and grabbed absolutely everything, threw it in a basket, and the cashier immediately, when she saw all this ice cream, she's like, those are not a penny. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just buy it and see what happens. Because this is weird. What happens is when you buy these items at the register, they'll ring up for cost. And then immediately after, if this item is $5, $4.99 will be subtracted immediately. It's kind of like at a remodel. So, you kind of have to take a bit of a leap of faith, but you also have to find out if these items have pennied out at your store. And it should work out for you. And these strawberry shortcake bars, found them in a little cooler at the front of the store. Shout out to the Geeky Banana Saves. She was talking about these yesterday. She actually had a cashier take it away from her yesterday, which was really bizarre. Took away all of her strawberry shortcake bars, and she was really sad by that. So just to show you my receipt to kind of explain this, here it is. See that 84.19? It's not going to be bringing up as a penny, penny, penny. It rings up full price, and then the sum gets subtracted. For the strawberry shortcake bar, 28.00, that's the UPC. For the chocolate chip Haagen-Dazs, it's right above it. Rocky Road right above it. So those are the 3 items that I grabbed, and I showed you the UPCs for the rest. But my transaction was a total of 31 cents, but the cashier initially told me like none of this is ringing up for a penny, and it's not until she finalizes the transaction that it shows up for a penny. And the same thing happened to the Geeky Banana Saves when she went to her store. They were just giving her a hard time about it. If you've ever shopped a remodel, this is typically how the remodel the receipt gets itemized at the end, which is super uber confusing, but it's just the breaks of this. So I did pay 31 cents, not making that up, not lying. And even like 24 hours after this happened, I was able to find all of this. I shared half of it with a friend, and then I have a neighbor that's interested in some of this. So it's all going to find a good home. Now, in that seasonal aisle where they have all of the Easter stuff, this bottom shelf, see where they have that little sweater and all the stuff that's not a penny? My friend and I removed that from the display, just removed the little container, and all of the items Valentine's Day that fell behind it since like probably January, February, we probably scored like at least 40 or 50 items just doing that. And they were all like tucked away back there, and she was excited. I was excited. It was quite the little find. So it's like a blow mold that says "Be Mine." Super, super cute. I didn't find a lot of chocolate. Lots of stores were on top of that, but these other little items, my friend found these pencils. So, so cute, for a penny. You can't beat that price. Anything that says Happy Valentine's Day, with the exception of like there's a little stuffed toy with a blanket. That's not part of it. But these are these little crew neck or these little crew socks. So cute. And at that bottom nook that we removed, we've probably found like 20 cups. And these are color changing cups, larger ones, and they also had smaller ones. And then these flowers as well. There was a dozen that I found. So I have a plan for these, both pink and red roses, and then some of these candies by Haribo. The crafting stuff for Valentine's Day and other kid stuff for like Valentine's, I didn't buy any of that, but my friend did, and she was really excited by her finds. That seasonal end cap where they have a lot of like seasonal like food, beverages, blah blah blah. That's where I think we found like 10 of these Hershey's Kisses. They don't expire till later in the year, and these expire next December. They're called marshmallow filled snowballs. I mean, even for Easter, it would be a perfect thing to go in an Easter egg, so I'm really excited by these finds. That purple strip, top right hand corner, that's what you're looking for. And it's all Christmas gift sets that went to Valentine's Day that didn't sell. This is a little trio of body butter, bath salts, and a scrub. 1 cent. I mean, for next Christmas, fantastic. This is going right to my mom. It's everything for pedicure, manicure. She's going to be excited by that. This must have been my day because everything that I was finding was the exact amount I need for next Christmas. This little double pack of the nail polishes for my sister-in-laws. We have these little fake nails. I mean, they're going to be so jazzed by that. And the fact that Aunt Rach found it for a penny, Aunt Rach is really happy. This lip oil, I actually cracked it open. If you found one of these, OMG, look for them in the regular beauty aisle too. I found a couple of those there along with these. It's 2 makeup sponges and 3 brushes. My mom is really into makeup. She's going to love this. And this little quad pack of these ladies Beverly Hills Polo Club perfumes. Nice little gift. Some cute little bath salts. I mean, if you need a last minute Christmas gift with the amount of baskets that we got, we have it completely covered. This is a very heavy product, like heavy in weight. It is a little 4 pack of bath salts and things with vanilla. I have a sister-in-law that loves the vanilla scent, so this will be right up her alley. One of my favorite find is this really nice Caress gift set. Like I found a couple of these. So this is just the traditional daily silk gift set. 2 body washes, a travel, and a bar soap. And then it also has a dollar coupon inside. I'm just happy about it. And in this scent, Warm Embrace. So that was my find of the day. I was really excited by that. So again, as I'm telling you guys to look in the regular makeup section, I found 3 bags of these cosmetic beauty sponges, just like chilling there. And then we have this little studio selections. It's like body lotion, a body wash, and then a little travel bag, perfect for next Christmas. And I found exactly 4 for my 4 sister-in-laws, so it is perfect. So super grateful to find a bunch of these kids bubble baths. $2. The top cap has that $2 on the top. So it is in the Squishamill. We have this Monster Jam, and there's also a Peppa Pig one. So those 3, be on the lookout for them. Look for them where they have the shampoos, end caps. Go to your store sooner than later, and I wish you guys good luck with this. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.